pigeons have been domesticated for around 5,000 years. Pigeons were originally domesticated for food, so you can get the fried chicken and it goes yummy. They poop on your cars and
they're pets.
They can be a pet.
Pigeon facts, go.
They're ugly.
Oh. You don't get to be in the video anymore.
Pigeons are very fascinating. Yeah, in the morning I can hear them go, woo, woo, my candy, and go wee, wee, wee. And it's like my alarm clock. You should subscribe to the pigeon channel.
Oh boy.
So raising chickens is like, it's like not the most complicated, but it's pretty hard because you can't just have them laying around because there's cats on the farm. They're like small, so there's a bunch of predators. They can come and get them. You know what I'm saying? I'm one of those predators. Chickens, when they're babies, they're cute. When they grow up, they're kind of ugly. But I see chicken and I'm like, I want to eat that. So this is owls. And so you see, the owl, when it eats a rodent, it like swallows them whole. And its stomach acid doesn't like break down the bones enough. So they like puke up these little things. And they're like this. People call them pellets, I think. And as you can see, there's a bunch of them here. And if you break them open, sometimes you can find a bone. Yeah, do not attempt this at home. Okay, so the owl's nest is where any type of bird or an owl, they build this little nest. They go, oh.
Don't touch.
They make a little thingy, right? And then they lay their eggs, and then they sit on them, acting like an incubator. And when they hatch, she leaves the nest. Owls can turn their necks in a 360, so they can turn their necks like that, and their neck will go all the way back around and come around this way, so they can go all the way around. They do that because their eyes don't move, and like if I like this, I can't move my eyes, so I need to turn my neck to be able to see around me.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Birds have some of the longest history on this planet and are by far one of the most easily recognizable animals. I hope you've all enjoyed our dive into the wonderful world of birds. The next time that you see a bird, I want you to look up and remember that is in fact a dinosaur. And I truly do wish that you take something away from this video. Once again, I am Robbie, and thank you all for watching. This is take one! I just spent like, I want to say 10 minutes ranting. Hi, Pinky. I can't help you right now. You are covered in dirt. Oh my god. Oh, wait. As a means to keep themselves...
So you see.
Esperanza died. Guest appearance. I am not having a fun time. It's 6 foot, 7 foot, 8. I'm filming. Hesper Night Die. As a means to keep themselves cool. Oh. I slayed that line so hard. You. Yeah? Hesper or Nethice. I forgot my line. Sad for them. I'm sad for them. I like pigeons. Bird with pointy bills, and I forget the rest. Sorry for body shaming you, Charlotte. Ah! Coconut, I love you too, but I'm doing something. Charlotte, I feel like you peed all over my pants. Archaeopteryx. Love Archaeopteryx. Whoop whoop! Lungs related to flying at all, and I'm here to tell you they come. My microphone was turned off! Do not peck that! I have to retake the last 3 different scenes! Everybody, I'd like you to meet Coconut. She is my favorite companion. But it was turned off and no one told me! That sentence was a jumble of words. I can't believe it was turned off! Calm down. I'm calm. I'm collected. It's 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch! I just want you to see her. Getaway tactics anymore? I'm sorry. I don't have to retake that. You can hear the goose in the background. Yeah, you kill a lot of birds, don't you? Thank you. The Hesperor Knights. I know I should have this memorized, but I don't because I don't. What do you want? Why are you all wet? I don't know what my line is. I wrote this like 2 days ago, so you're covered in algae. I hope you know that. The owl to Cookie! Do not pee on that! It's 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot punch. I'm not having a good time. I can't see! It removes the necessary survival instincts in any animal. Hello, Pinky. Like this animal, for example, who can't go 5 minutes without scritches. They know I'm talking about them. That's what. Why are you all wet? You're all wet. Go away. Go for it! I'm boogieing myself this way. If you knock me down, I will use you as a carpet. Hesper and my babies are ugly. Hesper. Oh. Ah! Say hi to Cookie and Pappy. They just walked by. Everybody say good job to Charlotte. She was an amazing guest. That was Coconut, everybody. Everybody say good job, Cabbage. I'm gonna cut there so I can get